Today we're featuring a 2016 Ford Mustang. It's got 19,000 miles on it. It's crystal black in color. I'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. Make our way down the driver's side here. Everything's in good shape. It does have the dual exhaust, rear backup camera. Alright, it is a V6. Passenger side's in great shape. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Once again, it's a 2016, 19,000 miles on it. Exterior of this Mustang's in really good shape. It's got the black on black door panels, power locks, power mirrors, power windows. It does have the black cloth seating. Driver's seat's in really good shape. No problems there. It does come with a keyless entry key fob with remote start. Passenger seat cloth's in good shape too. All right. Hardly looks like these seats have even been sat in. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back here. Back seat cloth looks great. All right. It is an automatic. Okay, it's got your push button start, climate control area there, AM FM CD player with your backup camera there, and I'll show you that in a second. It does have the leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls, and Bluetooth. It does have your transmission paddles, okay, over here. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 19,069 miles. Now that we've got it started up, I'm going to show you your display screen here. All right, we'll go ahead and engage the backup camera. Go ahead and show you the climate control area again. There's your push button start. AC's blowing nice and cold. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the trunk space. All right, carpet back here looks good. I'll kind of step to the side so you can see the depth, just how much space you got. All right, good amount of space in this Mustang. Let's check out the wheels and tires. All right, let's see. We've got 18-inch alloys. Got the Goodyear tires on there, plenty of tread left on them. All right, once again, guys, a 2016 Ford Mustang V6. It's an automatic. All right, it's got 19,000 miles on it. It looks great on the inside. It's fantastic on the outside. It's well taken care of Mustang. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.